Hallmarks, SPLF series high-pressure syringe pump, model, HO-SPLF-2D-P60-C, are versatile and economical instruments designed for precise fluid dispensing in laboratory experiments. The high-pressure version is specially engineered to handle demanding applications where significant back pressure is encountered. It combines accuracy with robust performance, making it a reliable choice for advanced laboratory workflows. Key features include a high-torque motor that ensures smooth and accurate flow, along with reinforced construction to withstand large forces. The pump is capable of supporting up to 60 bar back pressure. Built-in electronics with a keyboard and LCD display allow users to program operational parameters and monitor real-time data such as flow rate and total time remaining. Specifications cover a wide range of configurations, with models available for single, dual, 4, or 10 syringes to meet varying laboratory needs. Applications extend to controlled fluid delivery in research and chemical processes, with safe and ultra-smooth operation even inside standard fume cupboards. Hallmarks, SPLF series high-pressure syringe pump, model, HO-SPLF-2D-P60-C. Hallmark manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.hallmark.com and contact us at sales@hallmark.com. Order your products now.